Is Windows Firewall blocking an app that you trust? You can allow a specific application through the firewall instead of turning the firewall off completely. In this guide, I'll show you how to create the exception and check that it's working. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Select the app, then choose Firewall and Network Protection. Select Allow an app through Firewall. This opens the list of applications that have permission to communicate through Windows Firewall. Select Change Settings. You may need administrator permission before Windows allows you to edit the list. Look through the list for the application you want to allow. You'll usually see separate checkboxes for private and public networks. Only enable the network types the app actually needs. If the application isn't listed, select Allow another app. Choose Browse, locate the application's executable file, and select Add. After adding the app, select the network types where it should be allowed. For example, you might allow a trusted application on a private network, but leave public unchecked. This limits where the exception applies. Select OK to save your changes. Windows Firewall will now allow the selected application through the firewall under the profiles you chose. Open the application and test the feature that was previously blocked. If it connects normally, the firewall exception is working. If you no longer need the exception, return to Allow an app through Firewall, select Change Settings, and clear the app's network permissions. Remember, you usually don't need to disable the entire firewall to fix one blocked app. Allowing only the application you trust is a more targeted approach. And that's how to allow an app through Windows Firewall. Add only trusted applications, choose the network profiles they actually need, and keep the firewall enabled. This gives you more control without removing your overall network protection.